Good day, everyone. Today I will present our research titled Dynamic Exposure Modeling and Personalized Risk Assessment in Urban Environment, which proposed a data-driven framework utilizing heterogeneous Internet of Things network to protect public health in smart cities. Rapid urbanization has created highly heterogeneous pollution fields. However, traditional environmental monitoring relies on a static infrastructure that treats citizens as stationary receptors. This creates a dangerous information gap, failing to account for human mobility and psychophysiological variation that occurs during daily activities. Our research fills this gap by integrating a variable parameter, pulmonary ventilation, into a real-time dose accumulation model. Unlike existing systems that only track ambient concentration, our approach formalizes discrepancy between stationary data and the actual biological dose received by a mobile user. The study is grounded in a massive dataset from the EcoCity monitoring network in Vinnytsia, Ukraine, comprising 1.4 million records spanning from 2019 to 2025. This high-resolution data allows us to move beyond city-wide average toward micro-environmental analysis. To transaction from discrete sensor points to a continuous field, we utilize a non-linear distance decay function. By discretizing the study area into a higher resolution mesh, we constructed a pollution landscape that accounts for urban hotspots, where local sources override the background levels. The core of our methodology is the integral risk index. This formula accumulates the inhaled dose over time by multiplying ambient concentration by the respiratory minute volume, while accounting for individual susceptibility and pollutant toxicity. To validate this, we developed an agent-based simulation using digital twins. We instantiated two profiles, a healthy user and a vulnerable user, specifically an asthmatic profile. We simulated their typical daily routines, commuting, office work, and exercise to observe risk dynamics in a controlled environment. Beyond observation, our system offers a mitigation through a segmented context-aware detour algorithm. Unlike standard routines that optimize for time or distance, our algorithm prioritizes the minimization of the accumulated toxic dose by deforming trajectory away from pollution peaks. Our reconstruction revealed a highly heterogeneous landscape. We identified consistent plumes of elevated fine particulate matter, also known as PM 2.5, along transpiration arteries transportation arteries, while green zones acted as island of clean air. This variance confirms that citywide air quality index reports are often misleading. Simulation results showed that during a morning commute and agent experience high volatility. However, upon entering an office, the exposure drops by approximately 40% due to the indoor to outdoor infiltration ratio, acting as a critical recovery period for the respiratory system. The most critical finding is the divergence in risk trajectories. While a municipal station might report moderate air quality, a vulnerable user engaged in high intensity exercise can breach the critical health threshold in under 90 minutes. In fact, our retrospective analysis shows that static monitoring fails to detect critical health risk in 47.6% of high intensity activity scenarios. Our system translates these complex models into actionable safety alerts by evaluating the gradient of the risk curve. The system generates preemptive warnings. In our test, the system successfully issued a critical alarm 12 minutes before a project health crisis, allowing the user to reduce exertion or move indoors. Sort what if analysis, we found that even a 20% reduction in city-wide emission does not eliminate risk for vulnerable groups during peak activity. This suggests that infrastructure improvement must be paired with personalized bottom-up adaptation tools. In conclusion, this works uh, shift the paradigm from environment-centric observation to human-centric health protection. By combining Internet of Things networks, psychophysiological modeling, and path optimization, we provide a scalable tool for precision urban health, making invisible risk both visible and manageable. Thank you for your attention.